Hi, hope you are doing well. I'm really glad that you are here. In this video, I'm going to create a SQL Server database in Azure and then create a table using SQL Server Management Studio. If you found this interesting, please stay with me. And please subscribe in the channel if you haven't done it yet. Thank you. To create a resource. Then from the list, SQL database and create. If you don't have it here, just search it here and you will find it. So create. And in this page, in the right hand, we see the cost summary, which is for me is 3,700 kron, which is high. We keep the subscription as it is. For the resource group, I'm going to create a new resource group because at the end I want to delete all the resources. And by deleting the resource group, we can delete all the resources automatically with it, so we don't have to go and delete each resource individually. So the name is test navid. Okay. Database name, it can be whatever we want. For the SQL server, I create a new server. Server name should be unique. So let's see. Server 1990, it is unique. Location, I'm in the north of Europe, so I choose north of Europe. And for the authentication method, we use SQL authentication. We are going to use this username and password in the SQL Server Management Studio to connect to the database. So my password. Okay. Now compute and the storage. Here we configure the database. We have a general purpose now, and you see we have the standard, for example, for the budget and basic. I select the standard, it will be 147, but I want less, so I go to the basic. With the basic, you will see that the price goes to 49, but the data max size is 2 GB, which is enough for me. Apply, and now the price is 49. And then we go review and create. So this process takes time. I pause the video and I will come back when all resources are created. Resources are created. Let's go to the resource. Here is the server name and all other information are here. Resource group, status, location, and other things. Let's copy the server name. Copy. SQL Server Management Studio. Connect. Pasting the server name here. Then we are using the username password that we defined. Admin was the user and password. Now we get a error, we can't connect to the database. Let's see why. In the resource page, there is a configure access. I go to configure, and here we see the public network access is disabled. I need to change this. At the end of this page, there is a checkbox. If we select that, we let other Azure resources to be able to access this server. I don't do that. I just add mine in the firewall rules and save. It's saved now. So if we go back to the SQL Server Management Studio, we should be able to connect to the server. It's connected now. So if I go and open the databases, dbtest, the database that we created, and now I just want to create a table inside that. So right click, new query, and I paste this code to create a table called persons with these fields, and then run. Now it's done. So I have created a table using SQL Server Management Studio inside the Azure. And if I open the database and the tables, we can see the table. Now let's back to the Azure to delete all resources. So I go to the resource group that I created. In this page it shows me what resources are inside this resource group. All of this will be deleted. Select the delete resource group button at top. Then we need to copy the name and paste it here. Then delete. And this starts deleting process. It takes a little time. If I refresh the page now, you can see that the deleting comes up. By this we can delete everything at once, so I don't need to go and delete each resource individually. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like and share with your friend. If you haven't subscribed in the channel, please do that. Thanks and bye.